Hey everyone, I'm Arwa Noor, a psychology researcher, dating and relationship expert. Welcome to my channel again. If you want to be respected, liked, and taken seriously, your actions matter more than anything. I spent years working with top business owners and building my own multi-million-dollar business, and I've seen firsthand the differences between people who command respect and those who get overlooked. Let me share 5 powerful ways to make anyone respect you. First, you need to answer a critical question. Do you want to be respected or do you want to be liked? I'm a natural people pleaser, and this shocks people who meet me today because I don't have those traditional people-pleasing qualities anymore. That's because for the last decade, I've made active choices to prioritize respect over being liked. When you don't know which one you're going after, you get confused. You end up pleasing the wrong people. Until my early 20s, I always prioritized people liking me over choosing the right people to respect me. And here's what happens when you prioritize being liked. You compromise everything. You spend time around people doing things you disagree with, but you stay silent because you want to be liked. You don't change the environment or correct anyone. You just keep agreeing to things that make you feel like you're selling yourself out. The first person who has to respect you is you. Think about who you spend time with today. Are you making compromises? Are you trying to make people happy at the expense of what you know you need to do to respect yourself? When I first went to college, I wasn't the partying type, but my friends were. I didn't know how to stop spending time with them, so I just stayed in that environment, always the sober one, wasting my time, trying to get them to think I was cool. It took me way too long to extract myself from that situation. And I was making decisions based on what someone else thought instead of prioritizing decisions that would allow me to respect myself. Without respect, your voice gets drowned out and your authority gets ignored. No matter how friendly or charming you are, you must establish clear boundaries, show competence, and communicate with authority to earn respect. Second, consistency over long periods of time creates confidence. It's easy to hit the gym for a couple days, get excited, buy cute workout clothes, and think you're finally taking control of your health. But if you fast forward 2 weeks and you're no longer there, your confidence plummets. The same thing happens with people in your life when you say you'll show up for dinner and back out last minute. You're not building confidence that you're someone who does what they say. Every decision you make, whether consistent or inconsistent, tells people how much they can count on you. When you say you'll get something done, do you actually do it? People learn over long periods whether they can count on you or not. I know instantly who I can count on. The people I trust always follow up with me. If they've been consistent for 6 months and missed something once, I'm not worried because their actions prove they're reliable. But if someone sometimes follows up and sometimes doesn't, I just bypass them entirely. This is why respect doesn't happen overnight. What's incredible about consistency is that it's completely in your control. You don't have to commit to something if you have no intention of doing it, and that's fine too. Third, set clear boundaries. One of the hardest lessons I've learned isn't just setting boundaries, but getting people to respect them. There are 2 steps: creating them and enforcing them. Start by asking yourself what you're not willing to tolerate. List the behaviors you won't accept from people who work with you or spend time with you. Then create a list of characteristics you'd expect from the greatest people in your life. Once you have that list, look at how you spend your time. Are you living in alignment with these values? Because if you don't have great people in your life, it might be because you aren't embodying the same values as the people you want to attract. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this insightful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.